Hello guys, this is very urgent and is an emergency broadcast. I'm not supposed to come here, but I needed to do this because I'm sharing this program. I'm to Saramoji as soon as possible. I need to bring this to your attention because all the very important because all the very important because I'm to Saram this message is an urgent call. Please, all the very important, please share around this program, all the very important, you know, please, all the very important, very important, because share this program because Mathias, you will not die well. Mathias, the evil. Mathias, you will not die well. Ha, Mathias, that's oh my goodness. This guy about Mathias, you will not end well. Mathias, you get end well. Guys, share on this program. Mathias, you get end well. You will not end well. Makachineke kamja wage. This was the message you posted 2 hours ago. Please share them this message. If you guys want us to see you guys as Ndi Igbo, you guys will start from Daddy Go. You guys will learn how to because share on this program when you enter. Make una share this video. Make we enter because I want evidence to back everything I'm about to say here. I have evidence to back it up. I have evidence to back it up. Before I start saying, you know, say I know they talk anyhow. Anytime I come online, I must surely have facts and figures before I will. Lazy all this all this confuse people. Oh my God, Mathias, you can never change. I mean, you are an ideology of evil, manipulative. Anything that define evil, that is who you are. You can never how can you change overnight? Because I wish they would listen to anything I'm saying about you. You can never change. Honestly speaking, you can never ever change. Makachi, igahe change lie monowa manowozo manakena bia. You can never change. Makachi, because share on this program before I will start bringing my facts out. Before I will start bringing it one after another. Oh my God. Look at the message Mathias dropped this morning. And after reading it, I'm going to tag Yoshi. We received this money from Zion, which is 500k and not 1 million naira. For the first time, they came to the hospital. But they told us that it is 1 million naira, which after my member checked, the money they called me that the money was 500,000 and not 1 million. Because share on this video. Mathias, you will not die well. You will not die well. You you are a liar. You're a pathological liar. You're a blatant liar. You are evil manipulator. It's written all over you. Look at Unune Goshi in Nambuka. People that started before you in Nambuka have never built a block. Okay, people's money. People that started before you in Nambuka. People that were even doing better. Here we go. People to Kachaneme business 2 years ago. You collected their money and nobody is saying about, don't worry, Mathias, I know that you don't want to rest. Don't worry, I will come out with evidence, with the facts. When people gathered over 50 million, Kultur business, you ate the money. People's money, you swallowed it. Guys, because share on this video, because I need to open people's eyes. This guy, a manipulator, a liar, a blatant liar, evil, Mathias, and I will keep saying it the way it is. Nobody will beat me. No, you can't buy me. You can't change my thoughts. You can't change my stand. Amwana monye wu from day one. Jealousy oginwe ya. Envy no naka ge. Enweghị anything ni shigi n'aka adịghị so cruel. Enweghị anything n'aka adịghị so evil and so cruel. You are so evil. Now, Gishi, but the next day, Akozayan called my member on phone that he will send the remaining balance through bank account that they later called check and noticed that the money is 500k and not 1 million. That was a mistake. Get it? This morning after my live broadcast, one of my member that is taking care of the boy in the hospital told me that Akozayan have transferred the remaining 500k to balance account of the elder brother of the boy that got injury on Monday, 25th December. I also thank him for fulfilling his promise and also promise to give Akozayan, only if you will listen to me. Oh, look, I'm blocking one time for this Akozayan, only if you will listen to me. And when I'm at the remaining 2 million, when I'm at the remaining 2 million, don't give it to them. Do not, Akozayan makachineke na. Don't give it to them. Don't give it to them. Oshema people everywhere. Direct your question and when time to harbor you here. Direct your question where you're directing it to. Kaimana mawaro chagan negi ko chagan nage. Kaimana be daraja chagunu. You want to go? Mathias, it's with Akozayan. I don't know why you keeping this. Don't give them any more money. Oh my goodness. Mathias, he put this morning na rante. Now, Akozayan did not fulfill his promises. The same guy me perong wa Akozayan na ha punyana the money inside the Mathias account. Na Mathias hageri the money. The same idiot, the same sorry, I'm about idiot because the boy didn't do anything to me. The same guy and a letter no warrior. But Akozayan want to make this transfer. Gebantio, because you know why? When people want to destroy you, they will not start from the origin. They will start. Mathias we survive. One week. Na me they wish you. Because you wish people to die. You wish people to die in agony. You wish people to die everything. How many people, guys, because share this program? I don't want to say anything. I don't want to start playing the evidence without people sharing it. I want people to get to know the bottom of this guy. Anapo Mathias. Omenala, wuna na do this idiot odu. Omenala shi. Ezeaku basi no. Waja. I wish you were a member of this guy. Waja. Because waja. Can't you talk to this tout? At least some of you guys that is well learned, that is highly profound. Can't you guys talk to this animal no call panel when you do? Do your business and then 2 years ago, people contributed 50 million on a WhatsApp. Oh, go hold your quality. You want me to start with you? You know it comes with fire. And nobody quench me when I start. In a go show people gonna have a business here. They are dragging Okurora. Don't worry, I will bring that to your case personal with facts. Facts. Give me a one explain. You wait. I give you the men on your shame when Omenala Igbo. You would the men on your shi na koinyo na kokashinyo. You are the men who wait. Guys, wait. Oh, Mathias ogadere ma. Hey, Iwe Ji ekwensu. Iwe Ji ekwensu. Bikono to sara ni mojia, bikono. Oh, because you question on this boy, you know, is beyond imagination. Ina atoase na ncha. Don't worry, Namigo expose you. Namigo expose you with facts. Make expose with facts. Iwe liar. Iwe shibonyashi. Don't worry, 2024. Oge munoko. Na me be your wala. Na me go expose you. You a liar. You a pure liar. Mathias, I don't know why you chose to be so evil. Iga Makachi Magimandane defending your lies and your atrocities. You a liar. Liar from the pit of hell. That's who you are. You are a pure liar. Mathias, you won't know she. Mathias, you won't know she. You a liar. Hey! You can mother chat. That's what mother name me hear me photo. Akuzayon, if you will listen to me, guys, you know why I told you to. You know why I'm telling you to share this program. If Akuzayon will listen to me, ma 2 million okwero, 1 million ukonye, and let it be the last. Mathias, take up the challenge. After all, he's your member. He took bullet for your sake. This guy took bullet for your sake. Why must Akuzayon? Oh my God. Akuzayon, why can't you listen? Let this guy cater for his member. You should not get involved anymore. Why are you getting yourself involved? Mathias aputala today name a video na koinyo. Now guys, let me explain to you what really happened. Akuzayon went that day. You guys saw the video. Akuzayon want to transfer this money. The boy brother, the guy Abarebe, when you work pulled Akuzayon by the side. Because I hating at the money inside Mathias' account. The account Mathias provided. That they should not put money inside and Mathias get the money. That since they've been here, Mathias may have abandoned. That the account they are trying to provide Mathias' account, that he should not put it there. Yembora go facts. That Mathias abandoned this boy. Mathias will tell you, no, oh, this guy. Oh, because the program. Mathias say, that's I don't wish you well because it's evil. I do not wish anybody that will say, I don't wish you well, it's evil. Number one, jealousy juruginime. Number one, evil manipulator juruginime. Number two, you where's you on? Number three, oh, because of your TJ that the GO pastor Suje make ego, we want to lead you into this your mess. In a deceive other people. Ego and them I will come with facts, with evidence, negotiate and them matter. When the business actually the business, now the business say what they profit, now come and COVID in effect. Ego not even NGO money. Ego people contributed. Mbeshina hage ego tipa my business. Where did you keep those people? I'm coming with facts. I'm coming with facts. Again, and Omenala mebuno. Akuzayon, please watch again. Let Mathias take over that boy problem. Oh my God of Nazareth. Akuzayon, why are you like this? Why are you like this? Akwando Omenala pahango mado. Let Mathias and Omenala take over the remaining 2 million. He's not go. I don't know why this guy is like this. I don't know why. I don't know why are you trying to. Madeboyo, Mathias so allow Mathias to die misery. Let him cry. You're not supposed to give any other further money on this particular case. Now, when Akuzayon want to transfer this money. For the hand notice here that the guy, according to Mathias, so they were a day na here on a day. Yes, that the boy I got another account young when a pro account when they're working on a problem. That Akuzayon should wait, let them rectify the account to a problem. Now by then, hate you're gonna account to the brother. Put it against. Oh, what the same people that boy on Utoria gwara Akuzayon one year working. Because I hate at the money inside the account Mathias had provide that they should not put the money in Mathias had read the money. They are all suspecting each other. And when they cannot go home, now the same process, Akuzayon, please. Mathias will not give us the money. More one them working at no na Patakot came where show you want to boo my problem. Because whoever who get the money, don't put it in Mathias' account. Akuzayo not your way for sure. Okay, when you guys provide the account number, by then I will give the money. Why this guy did very mean and about Mathias? Why Mathias did very mean? Yoji would kwensu. Know that this man can never change. All he wants is to go down. Anywhere get me share the image. Oh, I even told you, don't give session, don't give nakem. Let these people carry their wahala. You don't take it, I told you. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Why is this guy dreaming? I can't actually go because name with problem. They did not rectify it. Then I could say, okay, let me pay it in two now that the DGO. The boy is no. When they work about I can't do that the GA disappear. Please don't pay the money. No, wait until we rectify this account issue. Have you guys seen that? That the GO is frustrated because Mathias is frustrated because the money did not go into his account direct. Matthias is broke and hungry, looking for every means to collect money from Akuzayon. Share an program. I want this program to reach out to all their dada useless Omenala or Women Igbo or Women Amo. Actually, can this scene reach here? Because Ndamakeshe too is to okpu. They know how to lie. They know how to manipulate talk. Don't watch me. Share the program. What's up, bro? Man, everywhere. Share it. Now me get the medicine. Now listen. That day, Akuzayon. That day, Akuzayon there. I will start from that day Akuzayon went there. Just hold on. That boy, let us go back to that video. I get video from Ishi. Mathias, see you. You see you. He see you. Your mage wona grave. Your mage wona lili. Makachine kenna. Your mage wona lili. Your mage wona lili. Iwarancho mado. The evil. Iwan evil soul. You can never change. Akuzayon, if you will listen to me, if you had even listened to me, you wouldn't have given this guy nothing. Fakam shakem. Makachi. You wanna go she put on a line. Let's start from the beginning. Can you go le Akuzayon this boy the first day? Listen. Gente. Okay.
When they treat you really some man. Let me do that from another 2 million. Next time, let's assume that Bobble is not okay. I can't go. Oh, you know that. So, if we
guys, click love and like and share the program. Hana report to page. So click love and share the program. Click and share. Click and share. Click and share and love. Click love and share. You want to go? I got name for her.
This is 1 million naira. Yeah? This is 200. Igbo love no when find them man go no malo. I repeat, it is so much. By the grace of God, I'm not going to treatment. You can still come your phone. My own Zoya, it is so important. Maybe I have 2 million now. What are the people? Don't believe. Christmas and when you say you will never stage or child walk on out. I hear me. Because seek it.
Get out of here. Shinga for some. Get out. Get out.
Any mistake again in your life. And remember, if you want somebody that will once you are not against anybody. That's all. Yes. What do you down in the Bona? That's I very bad. I have police mother. I have problems with mother. The pure them. Only my test like Kuzun. Anybody will teach like Kuzun anything. That's not them. I know that Okapa. Most that Jesus said, that's all. What just you remember? And I'm enjoying it. So when can you be enjoy? We see you. Nobody's against it. That's all. No one them. Get one for you. Half a more. I don't know good. I don't know good. China, Pomada. Are you serious? I may even still give your parents in the village. I may even still go to the village and see them. Another village. I may even go with the time. That is under probability. In the village, when we can go, but I'm 100% sure.
Okay. Okay. Now, on this process, I show okay. KB Choka transfer the remaining money. When they walk abazo, Gawa Zion. Na account to Mathias ha provider na yeti parego ahụ dia. Na ya biko da chere na nwanne ya nwoke no na port wonye na atara ya ahụhụ. No the guy na atara ya ahụhụ. Na anwa atinye this money inside Mathias account. Na Mathias ga-read the money. Are you guys listening to me? Na the Mathias ga-read the money. Akuzayo no shinda wete ego. Nde wete ego enye gi ya. Asho okay. I will transfer the remaining money to you. Asho okay. Ke account agaji transfer aga ego. Daddy G abru account ya buputewe. Na ga ewere account ya transfer ya. Gewa pantio. Nda agba azu gagba Akuzayo na ya try ikpala ya. Do not try it. That if you try this thing, na Daddy G get kweme the money. Na since he no here. Na asha Mathias wete go Mathias refuse. Na asha Akuzayo nkwere nkwa. No kwere nkwa na ọ ga-abịa settle all the bill. Na no kwere nkwa na ọ ga-abịa settle all the bill. I help this boy. Then I got through pain. Now I got through pain. Akuzayo say okay, where is the account? Gema, now look at Jebe play the video. Hold on. I want to show you the video. Okay, watch out the video. Show again. Zion Ministry. This is the money Akuzayo sent to the gospel. Pay the hospital bill of the man shot during his arrest. This looked like Zion Ministry offering money, and it was given to him by Ebukobi. This means children know Ebukobi is directly involving it. Come on, Shinga. Come on, get out of here, Iso. The fake information. Come on, Shinga for Iso. Now listen. So can play the video. And this guy in a hospital, you are jeopardizing your opportunity. If Mathias will use you and destroy your future, you are a fool. If you know this boy in a hospital, because whatever program I share, Mathias will not do nothing for you. He just using you for his saga program. Mathias destroy Chagina, ya don't poge. You are not the first, you are not the second. If Mathias is using you now, to get his so-called believers online, yeah, use to Chagi ya don't poge. Use your brain before they go use them for you. I pity your condition. And when I mark my works, I can a lot of people like amount to pressure and accusation. That money, 2 million, you're not gonna see it anymore. Mark my words. Mathias and her put it like a problem. And don't put it like that 2 million naira is suspended. Mathias must generate that 2 million naira in everywhere brain. Maybe you cannot stand up with that your brother that was telling Mathias don't pay money into your motherfucking account. Maybe you guys cannot stand up and tell Mathias stop this mess. Imagine the shake Mathias is a very selfish and very useless man. This boy in a critical condition. Onye ji oxygen this boy gonna buy a war upon a konyere. Oh my goodness. I don't know why Mathias is only after his own personal needs. You are a very foolish and selfish man that would not die well. Imanonyi Puterela blocking block now is this guy. And this guy now, I know people to call. Kaima to operation Akosayon. Akosayon will not give that money anymore. Mathias, you will generate that 2 million. Akosayon have fulfilled all his promises. Now carry the button, go and settle the matter. Imagine it is useless. He believes when Akosayon did not give this money on a social media, made that all trances because you are very useless. I swear with God, if Akosayon give you that money again, you know Akosayon, I'll cancel it in my life. I will cancel it totally. Every chori put him kochan about this boy, you know, continue to cater for his expenses. Okay, goodbye. I must talk rubbish. Get out. Shinga for you, so. You understand what I'm saying? Every chori put him kochan. I'm just shaking. I eat very dubious. That's you're the malicious in nature. You are evil. It's all about your so-called awareness he created to criticize Christianity under someone, not under this pen, under someone detriment. To get your own rubbish for people. Why can't people understand this guy idea, what he's planning to do? Now you have ridiculed this boy opportunity. Makachineke, I know people to call. I amount to pressure. Now Kosayon, that money is over. Now Mathias, take up the challenge. Take up the expenses. Now that you came online, let's assume Kosayon did not pay the money. Don't you have Kosayon contacts? Okay. Okay, hold on. Let me block this idiot. Get out. Now, don't you have Akosayon's number? Can't you reach out to them? That's in one now. $500,000 cake up. Again, what the problem? You decided to come out, to come and destroy Akosayon effort towards Ihone marry this boy. As you have finally destroyed it now, Akosayon is no longer gonna take up the challenge. Oh, hi, General here to be sure. You always talk out of point. Can't you mind? Okay, get out. Get out. Oh yeah. So upon you saw bunch of fools. Come on, shouldn't go for you saw. And Meluna who are standing here and standing. Ebunu no here now comment. That contribute to land that boy that 2 million. As it is now, because I go 1 million and the case is over. The case are that yala and the case is over. Whether money half from half for the remaining. Akosayon is no longer gonna continue. I couldn't destroy yala the opportunity. Onyo wolama this boy no logo. Copy this my video. I'm not hand a follow cham. But to copy this one personally, go to his WhatsApp. Wire that. Not the very useless. Now family are the very hopeless. By allowing Mathias Ezeaku follower saga on social media on his own pen. Just got whatever video now wire. Nam paraya. Not the very hopeless. Ebo again when you all know Mathias see. I've been on this hospital bed. You're not bringing shishi. You are telling us that the only person gets saved today with my hospital bill, no Akusayon. Then Akusayon abatani mendum, you continue to harass Akusayon. As it is now, my brother, everything your family cannot raise your voice to stand on what is upright, to open your mouth to tell this guy. Where put this thing on social media until I get fully healed? I never go with a monkey. Because Mathias is only using every little opportunity to gain his own useless and brainwashed people. Mathias, you know what you're going to do? You will take up that case. As it is now, Akusayon is not going to fulfill that promises anymore. I know men to call. I know men it's important to call. They will tell him, don't fulfill these promises anymore. Now, Mathias, go and carry the burden yourself now. Daddy G.O., you have, now you was the rights. You want to go? Now, you can wait the right now to call all this in there, all this your useless and people who follow you, She have because Akusayon have finally withdrawn. That he's no longer gonna forge ahead now to help you or to assist you. Now he just remember to get the money. Or get this your deceiving spirit he deceive you, You see the deceiving spirit he deceive you. God was here that it's now to generate 2 million. As whether Akusayon with the account, go with the Ishi, can complete one Ishi, can complete an SCA. Only go to the 1 million. That's the remaining 2 million is over. Akune destroy yala haya. Akune destroy yala haya na no mwete hego kwere nkwa na continue yenu. Mesi Mathias mesi that thing Akusayon promised never to do yo mehu. Now guys, before I'm to share this video, I'm about to play some videos that will back in this guy na to. No Mathias fufu bigi na your evil mind will keep bringing you to support. Until you accept peace, you will never see peace. Until you accept peace, you will never find peace. That is why we are here. That is people like us like here. That is why, you know me, nobody, than for me to stand on the truth to God and to action. I got no me forgive. I got no me forgive. Because of your selfish interest. If you make crusade 4 days, this one will add that to your history. Nando kana to ashe, Nando kana he kwejioku. Oh hijre puta. This boy cannot do toria. Kana cho God do Messiah always shiga bia na bia get we destroy ya. Let me tell you. Now Onuga call in, but let me finish. Let me tell you, Mathias, and as far as he damage future this boy, now, as you have brought pain, and this boy is not gonna get the money anymore, continue and cater for the expenses. As it stands now, the expenses is now for you. Carry it on, carry them they go, carry the money, carry everything. Akusayon is no longer going to help. The case is over. You want to go? Guys, share this program. Let's watch this video.
I'm just what I can't number. I can't make it now. You bring this. What I can't number. 20.
And I try me keep the full. I try me kono no full account number on our boy here. Abia mi reziri ego. Abia mi reziri ego. Rubbish people.
UBA. Can I do the name there? Okorie Obai. The name there is Okorie Obai. Okorie Obai. Okorie Obai.
Yeah.
So I'm again. So.
Okay, now let me play the second one. I want to play the second one.
So what again? Yeah, last. No, we can't show that confirm. But what take the last?
Okay.
Wait. Okay. Has he gotten the alarms? That's what I want to know. What's the no one take go? Answer me well, let me
Okay. Now, come show the alerts. You go on this boy. Come show the alerts. Look at the alerts. They have 1 million. Now, Mathias, as you have decided to ridicule this boy's future, because it's only about your own personal interests. It's only about crusader in you want to hold it so tight. Now you will come and tell the world that Zion did not fulfill what he promised. This is how church people lies. This is how they manipulate people and lie and keep lying. This is how they will promise you and they will fail you, isn't it? Now you have accomplished your mission. You have finally accomplished your moves. Do you know why I say that you are a very stupid guy? You are very selfish. You are very self-centered. You are very hopeless. Above all, you are evil. Let's assume something happened. Zion did not give the money. Are you too big to call Zion? Please, oh. Okay, let me I don't want to waste time. You know me and calling, but anyway, let me put my number. Anybody that wants to call, you can call. 312 912 4384 4384. Okay, that's my number if you want to call in. Plus 1312 912 4384. Now, you decided to come and use it as your own crusade to come and criticize Kande church a promise here, fellow. Now, let's assume something happened that Zion did not give the remaining money. What are you supposed to do? As somebody that is not handling this case without hate and evil, what are you supposed to do? As somebody that you said you have accepted peace. Hello? Yeah, can you load the one you're watching me from, please? Can you load the one you're watching me from so I can put you on speaker? Okay, thank you. Go ahead.
Yeah, Mathias na a criminal. Mathias is a criminal. I'm calling you from Houston.
Okay.
Mathias is a criminal. Akuzayo will do na bend of Brazil. But Akuzayo na work.
Okay.
Yeah, Akuzayo is a very big guy. He's a very nice guy na Maputo na Mozambique.
Okay.
So Mathias is a criminal. He's a dumb criminal. He's a dumb criminal, okay?
Okay.
So because you have to be very careful with that nonsense useless guy. He's a bandit call. Yeah, okay?
Thank you.
Sure, my sister.
Hello?
Yeah, okay.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Good afternoon, ma.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Market.
Hello? You get with a good network, oh. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello, ma.
Yeah. Go ahead.
I'm calling from Nigeria.
Okay. How may I help you? Can you go straight to the point? You see why I don't put my number? This is so annoying. Now, but it's okay. You can call it. Now, you came out for your own selfish interest just to get followers, to convince a lot of gullible, useless people they follow you. Now, you have ridiculed this guy's opportunity. This guy, hello? Yeah.
Team na speaker because.
Na speaker.
Even I from the video, or from Ken's Palace of Justice. Jesus Christ, man! Always some questions I began to ask myself. Man, when the police came to arrest arrest Mathias. Matthias, were you not the person that resisted arrest? Were you not the person that put your life and the life of your followers at risk? If you had majestically and peacefully entered the vehicle, play that video, this guy, if this guy had died, I don't miss because he don't want to go straight bullet. Just no, I'm going to this in the police now. Then where this okay? What nobody I know be or nobody and this. Would you be here talking like this? Open all your exposure. This neighbor that the GO you know how the brain that when the policeman wants to arrest you, you basically go and just enter the vehicle. Space. Okay, out of Akuzayon's magnanimity, he came to the hospital. Happy came to the hospital. When you go now, my question is Akuzayon under any obligation?
I don't know.
Is Akuzayon under any obligation to even give
anything?
500 or even to even give shishi. He's not under any obligation to give shishi. Akuzayon was not there at the day of arrest. Akuzayon did not shoot the guy. He did not shoot the guy. You offended his dad or he broke the law, and he went legally. He did not kidnap him. He followed the due process. The due process that Akuzayon Ghana police. They found it worthy. They found the complaint worthy of an arrest, and they came and wanted to arrest you. Give me the and the followers again. Then Akuzayon make it out time here. If you see the arrogant, he wanted to chase clouds with
that is it. He want him to shout Akuzayon. He want this guy again. Let him that. Oh my goodness.
What am on your 500 though?
What am on your 2,000 oh?
Hey! There are many people. There are many poor people.
Amamo, Akuzayon, do I know?
This guy. You just go and go see that there's
what kind of human being is this guy? But that's why you so bitter. Why you so evil?
Just to show that now, I woman, Omenala gadi.
Just to know if you damage everything that Akuzayon has done.
That was why he left the people supposed to be.
Guys, click love, share this program. They're reporting it. Click love and share. Click love and share. Because
Akuzayon no get people in his village. When you talk with wisdom. That guy. And God promised you to give. Now you the money. None of offering money. Really? No offering money from
okay, offering money, that's fine. We are still using the offering money to save you.
Yeah. Offering money. How would even if we offering money? Yeah, money will be don't go there. Now they want to get open and kick as they want to use it to drag you.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
So all them that you need 2 million, all them you came. You did not bring water. You did not bring oil.
Hey.
I'm telling you guys. Now we go now I'm asking.
Could you imagine?
That's all in charge of or for fancy.
Hey.
Okay, you go only make some programs. That's the people. Okay, I'm going to refer you to Seraphic Hospital.
No, office on the people. I mean, no, I'm going to go on him and I'm making your number. I'm making your number. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, because long kids are watching. No, reduce the one you're watching me from, please.
Okay, I'm going here.
Okay, go ahead.
Actually, you go. What you wrong is the Attire.
No, again, Messiah. No. Again, Messiah. My brother, are we put a ball here? Or he put a ball? Okay, get out. Shingafo, get out. Hello? Shingafo, get out. Useless people. Or the wrong. Let me call people that called me back. Got to see the money, got to earn the money. Make una go contribute that money. They see me, Dala, or the wrong. But I say putarani. Ne destroy him mato garaga or the wrong. You got me get the wrong and get the right. Hello? Yeah, hello. Good morning from my end. I don't know why network. Now, can you play a video? Mathias said putrabiaro. Mathias asham ge bitterness ge buki. Your bitterness, your hate, your evil mind ge buki is a promise. Okay, buki. You gonna be gonna otan Ishi de miserable. You gonna be gonna otan miserable jisugina ho. Hello? Yeah, can I name you? Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, because on a problem. What are they buy one day? Okay, go ahead.
You reduce one kid I watch him, reduce all the one you're watching me, so he cannot be echoing.
Okay, now don't kill.
Yeah, go ahead.
Problem the ban in a people are what about who is Mathias Ezeaku. Mathias is just a simple criminal.
My brother.
Now any message to deliver to Igbo people.
Jesus Christ. I hope people teach jealousy in
first of all, Mathias will 3 messages come on the Bundi. First one is that Nigerian pastor use only 4 years. Second one, Jesus one your child who is scam. Third one, of an undoke the government. Iya dị na ya bụ na nke Zion na onye ego willili Zion agba digari egbe Mathias Kadigai jere defend.
Thank you.
Which is Mathias but he take care of the guy. Zion na eme ya bụ na ọ na-eme out of his own generation.
Agbara me agba from the beginning Zion don't go. Na ginye ihe ọ ga-ebutere gị problem. Ọkpọkpọ hụrụ ya kwa mene. Oh God.
Mathias more followers.
Thank you.
And therefore that open watch every don't bomb if one of that attitude do on the use before the arrest.
That is the game. And don't jeopardize this boy in actually in Naka.
Yeah, or to let you play. Mego. Nwa dologo ogu gbachi dogi nwanya egbe ebe ị na-erede isi arrest aka gị dị ọcha na-enwe ihe ị na-eme ikwesị mgbe a kwesịrị ịda mega arrest ị na-erede isi arrest then the boy tinyela onwe ya ebe a n'ologo ọgụ ndị a ikwesịrị ịpụta fly anya overseas street ya without so what I'm hearing mmadụ ka je believe lokwu Mathias because enego m anya enye ọ na watch his program onwe ihe bụ omenala ụgbọala onwe ihe
Jesus Christ of Nazareth
onwe ihe our forefathers mele omenala nobody practice the way the Mathias is practicing so ọ na-eme new initiative of his own omenala iche which anyị nwa na-amara ọbụ ife ọfụtụ anyị nwa bụ ndị Igbo so onye na-efoli ya just na-efoli ya for global sake onwe ihe mmụọ na-amụta n'aka ya NGO na-eme people na-atụrụ ya ego o wee na-eme
ego anaghị abatazi ọ ya the problem
account NGO mepere on his own account on one outside of the account of the NGO so I will take ego na sorry or use one sorry or for his own personal use Ghana Facebook na brag ebe a na-akpọkọta ndị na-agbara ihe ndị obere uche ọ na-akpọkọta so ebe ndị ebe ha na-emere m ndị na-esi ya so ọ bụ na afọ ga-esigbo akụ Zion na-enyefe n'ego a
agbala m akụ Zion agbala m ya I wish this guy would listen to me anyway I know people to call I talk to him
akụnyekwu ya the money this one you enye the money ka Mathias ma na o nwere ihe the money bụ ebe ọ nọ
thank you my brother akụ Zion no ama m ga anụrụ m ntị enye na I continue zio we continue Mathias now go and settle the problem you caused for your member. Go and settle it. As Akụ Zion is a bad person now. Go and settle the matter. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, Kuwe.
People are that guy itself, just no so anya elegonia. That guy, Obi Ojo Nogonia now.
As in a written all over him, evil.
I don't know why those people follow ya. I'm if you want to because you got myself now. As this year now. Abaguri adadre ihe na akoga na ihe aga na akoga
asin
asana onwuru that day okwa papa na echefola ni ana because enwudo onye ngane so that guy self inagudi ini anya from iwu ya na obi ojo na as in this Omenala now also now Omega self and the any atom of Omenala from here Oyahu name so everything on the will know just in Kena Abalaya Yana Obagande Church. So for me, all the man Igbo Akon, also forget everything Basara that guy. Ogula.
I'm gonna thank you, my brother. Thank you. Thank you. Nah, I hope only the evil like this guy. So bitter about his own self. So bitter there. Hey. So bitter there. Hey. May God have mercy on you. You are so miserable. So bitter to an extent, eh? Oh, Lord, have mercy. Chee. Make we listen to the video you made regarding about what Akụ Zion did.
Our brother that called police for us. Which one of our member was shocked? They brought money. They brought 500,000, not 1 million. The money Akụ Zion brought is 500,000.
Okay.
I'll still post it. I have the bills then.
Okay.
He called me while he was coming. But I was on my way going to Dibia, Mazi Dibia's place. For that is invent. So I sent one of my welfare. I sent one of the member to him. He took the welfare guy, now welcome me and took him to the hospital. What he brought was 500,000, but he have called though. It's a mistake. Maybe they did not know that the money is not up to 1 million because it is 200 naira.
Okay.
Maybe he's not aware that the money is not up to 1 million because it is 200 naira. But after 2 days, he called back.
Okay.
That he made the cross check and noticed that the money is 500,000, not 1 million. Because when they brought the money, they say it is 1 million.
But Akuzayon called you back. Akuzayon even called you, say, oh, it was a mistake. We have cross-checked everything. It was a mistake. Now, what is the essence of your video now? Oh, it's not like this guy did not call, oh. He called you. Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor. Just because of this, your crusade. Omenala crusade, kichori ibia denti ya Akuzayon. Oh, iwu mmiri ọjọọ na-aṅụ iwuru anụ eleri ime ntege. Mmadụ mere mistake. Let's assume he realized that o mere mistake na ego ahụ o sendere kpọọkwa gị. Oh my brother, it was a mistake. Ochekwa ka ịkpọọ ya. Oche ka ịkpọọ ya ka ịpụtashi gị. Oh, lekwa. He decided to call you and make the correction. Maybe nde wetere ego miscalculated it. He later realized it and called you back. Mathias, you know the essence of this your video? Just to win gullible hearts. Just to deceive many people. Now, okay, what is your essence of this video? Can you hear your essence of playing this video? So Mathias, you dey use to chop a filter. You dey use filter the wrong program. Oh, Mathias, Iri evil. So you are both mistake. The guy no pangahu will extra money. Nyepande no nime hospital. About 400,000, extra 400,000 out of the money. What is the essence of this your video, Mathias? Mado pokwaragishi oh, aneme no law. Any charge check. Oh, I made a mistake. Oh, cross check your check and come and repeat it next 2 weeks. Who is above mistake? Who is above mistake? Bikonu. Keu de madu unu wetere na Igbo. Kobia divide ya umu Igbo. Keu the evil soul unu wetere na Igbo. Kobia ne able to disunity among God. So na as is a normal thing. Even if you're following this guy. Even that you're following this monster. Even if you're following this guy. When in Abukwaya, my brother, this video is not necessary now. Are you trying to help this guy? Are you trying to destroy this guy? So Ibraki destroy kumere for you. Anyway, let's continue.
My members called me and said it is 500,000. I became even confused.
Okay.
Until after some days, when I had been running with on how to carry my family and go village planning this crusade,
okay.
They now say that Akuzayon called back.
Okay.
Saying that what they brought is 500,000.
Okay.
That the young man should send an account.
Okay.
So that he will transfer the remaining 500,000.
Okay.
It's because that is why I have not even texted him on WhatsApp. Maybe after this program, I will text him on WhatsApp.
Okay.
Notify him that we receive 500K.
Okay.
Now our brother brought money. He didn't brought prayer to heal our brother.
Chere. So Akuzayon finally sent the 500,000. According to you, Akuzayon sent that 500,000. Chineke, God of Nazareth. Ima Iwe Mathias. Iwe Mathias that Mathias want them to use his account. That guy, no about guys, now share this video, they click love. Oh, you see this guy? You see this manipulator, you see this evil idiot with Omenala Igbo. You see this Ekwensu. You see this Samusu. You know, Onya wo onye gi na ga na eri nri ga were anya sakashia ko hapụ ikpe ga nshi na mfa aka kpela gi na nri. So you acknowledge that Akusayon sent the money. Oh, but again, I made a mistake or complete ya. My question remains: can Ishi this your video now? Can Ishi video Ghana? Just to get gullible more people. Guys, if you share this video, come now preach here to those people who brain apple. Because they don't know how to put one or two together. They are so lost. Can I watch video? Mathias, what is the problem now? Can you hear what the problem? Akusayon no make sure complete the money or complete ya. Ebo notice no mistake or make sure return all the money or not. Gene who your problem, Mathias. Now, Ishi don't know what the holy for you. You rejected only for you. Yeah, very later. Ishi know where go with the problem. No where go kaija boge. They decided not to bring anything that you are against. Now your members hospital. They brought what you need. Now you are still asking what stopped them from bringing the same thing in nationality against. Oh, Onyemunu this careful puputeranya jomwa. Careful puputeranya quinsa. If put an nationality against only for you. It against pure water. It against CNN. Then the people that are coming to visit you, it's not where go with your own thing. They avoided what you rejected though to make peace reign. They did not bring their olive oil because he said you don't like it. They did not bring their water. Now you are complaining why they didn't bring it. Hey! Go them matuti ha. Go that jomoti ha. Oh, when you actually for your problem ya. Here go kugrani who IG olive oil. More olive oil, olive oil. Then you say you are allergic to olive oil. They were coming. They decided not to bring what you are allergic to. Okay, let them keep their olive oil to themselves. Let them bring what you like. They brought the money. Now you are still asking for the olive oil. Hey! Let's continue.
Brother, he brought money to the hospital. He did not come with any miracle water or oil to heal our brother. You see?
This madness now, this rubbish crusade, yeah, now. Here, when you have to home miracle healing, miracle only for you. Ashi Honyan Eriki, Onyan Ason Sogeji Asoroya. Ihonyan Ason Sogeji Asoroya. Mathias, so are you thirsty for the olive oil and the miracle money now? Oh, sorry, and the miracle anointing water. What do you want? Mathias, what do you want? Hey! The same person, Sarafiki, yeah, problem. Yeah, Sarafiki water, Sarafiki oil. They distance themselves from giving you the tension on a boogie, on a begi shabakage. Now you are still asking why didn't they bring it? You said, oh, we go to hospital to get a bomb. It's now become a problem. Unahuna this guy wa musu. Inahuna ndeni na follow this guy with this guy Ishi wuriti. Ihe chozri na chozi ya. Guys, they are reporting this video. Click love and like. They are reporting it. Click love and like. Na share ya brangi share ya man weta you no na their Omenala group share it there. Guys no na their WhatsApp share. Come that small wisdom. Because they are following onye the more daft than them. How can they only make common sense? Go you not me here. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, my sister, I think I'm even from Dubai.
Yeah, Ndewo.
Because Mathias, how imana onya na we kwen so pata na Igbo.
Hey! Na
Onya we kwen so pata na Igbo. Mathias, how na people Mathias from India. Mathias, here Mathias na to face ko na na India.
Of course, about somebody put a queer not through face. I'm coming. Mathias, don't worry, I'm coming with facts.
We put a go on Nigeria. You understand? So people now have materials of money fully, and ima gonna our people about project pota maybe anything about people follow way. What I got many people, I'm my friends in the police here. I don't know. This man was a very wicked woman being. I want Bobby to feel on our church. He was going to want to go to Zion because he's in a piano. Because he's in a piano. So that when you go back to Zion, Jiri help the boy. I want my class to go there.
No, yeah, my brother. No. Ashikamo Okwogi, my brother. Listen. Kamo Okwogi. Get buteregi problem. Caught to that tongue. Come here, get do bataragi sobu. Caught to that tongue. That's what Bible said. We cannot deviate from the facts. And bianyene. I have pomenelu. I have pomena nanyane momenelu. Come here, help this boy. You got totally this accusation problem again. You caught to ya entirely. Period. Go me the little one. No me we help put together and kocha. And they you understand that terms. So make una know the switch talk. I hate people and I jet direct. No simple.
Yeah. Yes. Ndi Igbo stop of Mathias. Mathias the create enemy. Mathias the create enemy na Igbo to Igbo. Mathias is so come Boko Haram pattern na Igbo Ndi Igbo now.
Only hate. That this boy may preach.
Ndi Igbo stop this nonsense on him. How watch I am Brahana? How watch I? Very soon now the problem this man get create. This man get create na Igbo.
They are too much. There is no peace.
How could I need about top of this thing? And one more, this man, all your believe in better man. And when you open up, he a man of war.
Never. Only the only thing he get me at the best one up Omenala. That what are rubbish. Oh, you get me there. Yeah, them. Even on your Omenala, oh God.
I think the later you wear this, later you wear now, but all you use that guy, but
yes.
Zion call Zion
Akola yoru na ya ga use account. Umunne the boy she use call account na Mathias ga read the money. My brother, thank you.
Welcome. The speaker man no when ya dey make it.
Mwa. Babala awala no mo chie. Na just me when ha ga mem. Awala mo chie na lande mo. Anya bali share na lande mo. All right, my brother. Because na share my group ni no everywhere na share ya. Thank you. Awala mo kia na lande mo. Owo ma aka ka ha ga na akọ make we dey listen to you.
Water or oil to heal our brother. You see, you just want to intimidate me, close my mouth, so that my people will keep on dying you and you keep enjoying with your family. He came with money. Which is what I'm telling you. This is only money that can change your life.
But what did you ask for? The same olive oil you torment for years. The same miracle water torment for years. You say you don't want it. That is Omega for you to reset your brain, for you to start reasoning as a human being. I don't know why these people cannot reverse your case. What you signed. Oh, we are not quarreling. We are not. I don't know why they will not allow you to go to court. Whether man, I find the guilty, I find the hoodie. You spend money and fly yourself to Abuja. You have about 3 or 5 years. The brain is reset it too. I don't know. Abraham Hagba, that you can never change. Onya musu oga pushiri amusu overnight. Onya musi can onya musu stop to real amusu overnight. It's not possible. Look at the hate, the heat, the bitterness, the evil. So you finally know that he brought the money you requested. You was busy asking for money, but money now you're complaining for the money again. Oh, we went to kill. Look at the hate, the evil you're putting in our people's mind. Onya huzie nwanne ya ikwu omenala ya pagog. Gekwo Christianity ya pagog. Look at the hate. Look at the evil hate you're putting in everybody's mind. Ihuna the kind of evil you have created and built it in our people's mind. Ihuna who you are. Even the definition of your true self, you are evil. Despite that Akusayon, no obligation to come there and pay any courtesy for any of your stupid member that decided to get shot. Still, that visit to Pelepe, you still did not appreciate it. Because it's host to your useless 3 days of organic mojo crusade. Oya ki je putana ki denti Akusayon. Akusayon mejo kwe. This guy ye ga. In fact, I don't want to say him but you should distance yourself. Bible in a praise so you will not talk again. Do the needful. Stay clear. Let Mathias scatter for this boy. Yes.
Let's pray. He came with money. What am I saying? We have come to destroy the activities of religious idiotic in our society. People can never engage with. I have been busy since then. That is why I have never made any post about it.
Okay.
And I was also expecting for the money to be completed 1 million before I can make the post.
Okay.
But what they brought is 200 naira, 20,000, 200 into 5 wrapper.
Okay.
Which is a 1 wrapper of it is 100,000, into 5 is 500,000.
Okay.
When they were saying that the money is not up to 1 million, I told them to snap the money and send to me. They snap it picture and send to me. I saw that it is 200. Maybe because of the bunch of 200 confused them not to know whether it is up to 1 million or
okay.
not.
Okay.
But he has called back, as I said.
Okay.
Nobody called him. He called by himself.
Okay.
I don't know whether it is my member that called him, but they told me that he called.
Okay.
Saying that the money is not up to 1 million, that they should send account
okay.
to transfer the 1 million naira.
Okay.
The remaining 500.
Okay.
And also promised to give 2 million naira to that boy.
Mathias, when Akusayon asks you guys to send accounts, why are you insisting of sending your own accounts? Why are you insisting of sending your own accounts? Why is it that the boy Abare Shimba? No one near na Patakot na Attire since Obera here now you refuse to pay a dime na his hospital bill. That nobody should go to your accounts. Anama joke Mathias. Why is it that Mbashi send the account to send the account to your scammed projects or your scammed whatever? The boy you know munne abaso shanwa pala that since they've been here you refuse to spend nangem neku no wa Akusayon dey spend here. The boy she came by she put on one nwoke no na port na Attire ahụ na send the money there. Mba actually send the money don't see na the account with a problem. Akusayon shock correct it as soon as possible and send it to me so I will complete the money. That was why the money delayed. This guy, social media is the easiest way to destroy people. Social media is the easiest way they will not ask a reasonable question. They will believe anything that comes out of this demon's mouth. They will not ask a valid question. They will not ask an educative question. They will just accept anything that comes out of this Amusu. Omenala that he has brainwashed many people that is it without asking a proper question. He knows this is the only revenue to get these people all destroyed their brain, their reasoning. The same Omenala boy ya na abaregbe. Any before you with Akusayon, this thing shouldn't be your first priority. Because you know why? You are using this boy detriment. You're using his pen to gain your stupid crusade. You did not think about that boy welfare. You did not think about this is not the right time to execute this your madness. But because of your greedy, selfish interests, you will not reason proper. All is all about you. Your selfish interests, your selfish again. You're not caring about if I make these moves. Get the journey get the result to this boy. No, you don't think about that one. Now you have brought another problem to this boy. Make sure that this 2 million on this boy Aka Zion, that you make sure you fulfill it with your Ezeaku Omenala. And you know here, any lie we will encounter it. That is why we are here. Okay, get out. Shingaje gbanegi ko close your mouth. Come on, to support you. All these brainwashed outs. All these brainwashed out that can't even make a correct sentence when they are commenting. Come on, you know, for you, so we don't deal with the people who have common sense. F off. Eh? So you believe now? Because all these statements that you made here, and when any intellectual person I got jugajujo, or what the fools they believe anything that comes out of a fool like you mouth. Only a tout, only brainwasher. No matter how you brainwash me, he make the mama joke questions, or I will keep quiet, not to offend you, but I will not get away you. But because of useless, only to any means, eje bring your Abasara Christianity down, eje bring Akosayon down, eje apetoya. What is the essence of this video you made now? What is your gain? Can you gain again this video now? You make it? That's my own question. He get that he put this thing because I will go back and help that boy. But he make effort to get your crusade 2 days or 3 days crusade down. Can you want more followers in GR on our program? Make we listen.
To establish business with him. That is the power of money. Now money is speaking. Now this is what I'm teaching. This is what I'm crying for. Could you imagine after this guy now is being discharged from the hospital? Still they render 2 million naira to him. Automatically he will start something doing.
Mathias, you're preaching money, and we are happy that you wanted the voice to preach about money. Now you provide that money and give it to that boy. Akosayon is not giving no more sheshe. It's over.